Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create easy flower of life pattern design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a circle shape, fill none, stroke weight 2 point, outline color black, height and width 89 pixel. Go to object menu and pattern and make. Tile type X by column. Width 53 pixel and height 44 pixel. Click on done. Draw a horizontal box shape. Apply custom pattern from swatches panel. Finally, your flower of life pattern is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create pattern design background in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.